Hello everyone, and today I will be showing you how to add a QR code to your Weebly. First step is to open Weebly and log in. The second step is to open qrstuff.com on your web browser. The third step is to copy the URL of the website you want to use for your QR code. Step 3 is to select the data type of your URL. For example, my URL is a website URL. Step 5 is to paste the URL into the box. Then you can select static or dynamic. Most of the time you would select static. Step 6 is to choose the color of your QR code. It really doesn't matter which color you choose. Step 7 is to download the QR code. There's a blue button. The next thing you do is to save the image to your photos. You can do this by holding on it and pressing save image. Then you go on your Weebly and add an image to your Weebly in the build section. Click on add image and go to your photos and select the blue QR code or whatever color you have. You can also add a title or text to it as well. You can open this by clicking on the plus. The final thing you should do is to click preview and then publish the thing so it saves to your website. Thanks for watching.